I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. We're on prompts 11 and 12 and I've already backed my cards, and our prompts for this week is packing paper and crimp paper. And I've already crimped it. I've pulled out this old dusty thing that I've had for years, and I forgot how much I really like it. I'm gonna have to keep it out and use it more often. It just, I don't know if you can tell, but it really made it pretty. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Amy's channel as well as the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge to see what everybody's made. I love this challenge. I just decorated an old shoebox. I'll show you. Yesterday I decorated this old shoebox to make a place to hold done ephemera. So I'm ready to fill it up. I'm pretty proud of my box too. I just collaged and did some washi tape. And now I'm ready to fill it up. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here they are. I love how they turned out. And I had issues with my sewing machine, so I covered up where it got torn with some washi tape. And I like the washi tape so much, I just added a couple of more pieces around. I used some of my washi stickers that I just got, and I really am pleased with how that turned out. On number 12, I made a little pocket. It's a journaling card, but it's also got a bookmark or a tag or whatever you want to call it. And got the corrugated cardboard, and I love the grungy look of that Tim Holtz packaging, so I use that. This is a Mrs. Cogs Craft card, and I love her stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I'm getting ready for my fall journals. Let the ephemera making begin. So be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. And until next time, bye y'all.